Okay. Okay, children. Let's recall what you have learned in the last class. Okay. Before that, all of you switch on your video. All of you. Yes. In the last class, what we learned, can you recall the topic what we are discussing? What we discussed in the last class?
Transpose.
Transpose. Very good. Okay. So transpose of a matrix, isn't it? We are discussing about transpose of a matrix. Okay. Before starting this, okay, let's revise. Okay, let's revise. What is a matrix? Dia? What is a matrix? Yes, just recall, revise it.
In rows and columns.
It is arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Okay, it's not simple arrangement. It is the rectangular arrangement. It's a rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Okay, Gayatri, ready? If the order of the matrix is 2 by 3, listen. If the order of the matrix is 2 by 3, how many elements are there? Order is 2 by 3. How many elements? Yes.
6 elements.
6 elements. Okay. So in general, suppose a matrix has m by, if the order is m by n, then the matrix will be having mn elements. A matrix of order m by n will be having mn elements. Emmanuel, what is a square matrix? Yes, what is a square matrix?
When number of rows is equal to number of columns.
A matrix in which the number of rows and columns are same, isn't it? The number of rows is equal to number of columns means we call it is a square matrix. Okay. Achyut, equality of matrices. If you recall all those things only, you'll be able to do the problem. Okay, revise it. Recall. Equality of matrices. When will you say two matrices to be equal?
Same order.
Same order.
Corresponding elements are equal.
Two matrices are said to be equal if the order is same and the corresponding entries are equal, isn't it? Corresponding entries are equal. Aditya, identity matrix of order 2. Identity matrix of order 2.
I'm 2 0 0 2.
No, it is not 2. Check it. Identity means, which is a multiplicative identity? Order 2. Order is 2. So what is identity matrix?
1 0 0.
1 0 0 1. Identity matrix of order 2 means it is 1 0 0 1. Punya, identity matrix of order 3.
1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1.
Okay. Next, Krishna Chandran. Okay. And when we'll be able to add two matrices or give the condition for addition of matrices?
Same order, same row and same order.
Yes, once. Yes, repeat it.
Same order.
Same order. Yes, we can add two matrices if the order is same. Okay, we can add two matrices if the order is same. Nandana? Condition for multiplication of matrices.
If the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix.
Okay. Okay. Number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Isn't it? That one we call it as matrix compactability. If they are compatible, we are able to multiply. Okay. Atul. Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose A is a matrix of order 2 by 3 and B is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Is it possible to define AB?
Yes.
Is it possible to define AB?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. If so, can you give the order of AB?
2 by
AB is, order of AB is 2 by 3, isn't it? AB means matrix multiplication. Number of columns in the first matrix is same as number of rows in the second matrix. Then AB is 2 by 3. Rijas, is it possible to define BA? The same question. Is it possible to define BA?
Yeah, ma'am.
Why?
Number of columns of B is not equal to number of rows of A.
Columns of the first matrix, isn't it? If you take the matrix B, which is 3 by 3. What about A? 2 by 3. They are not equal. So we are not able to multiply. Okay. Michael, define transpose of a matrix. Michael, transpose of a matrix.
If A is an M cross N matrix.
Yes. Can you repeat?
If A is an M cross N matrix, A raised to T is an N cross M matrix.
How will we be finding the transpose of a matrix? You are giving only the order. How to find the transpose? Explain definition. Define transpose. You are giving the order. Okay, order. If A is an M by N matrix, then A transpose will be N by M matrix. It is okay. How we get this transpose?
By reversing the
Yes, Dia, can you give the answer?
By interchanging rows and columns.
Very good. By interchanging the rows into columns. That is the definition. Okay. The transpose of the matrix is obtained by interchanging the elements in the rows with the elements in the column. By interchanging the rows and columns. Okay, that's how we get the transpose. Now, Rin, can you give the properties of transpose of a matrix?
A dash, the whole dash is equal to A. Ka, the whole dash is equal to Ka dash. K is a scalar. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Reversal law. AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. And extension of reversal law. ABC whole dash is equal to C dash B dash A dash.
Okay. So listen, children, the main property is okay, A plus B the whole dash. Look at here. We multiply two matrices and we are taking the transpose. It will be same as B dash A dash. It is same as B dash A dash. This one we call this as reversal law, isn't it? It reverses the order of the matrix. When we take the transpose, A, B the whole dash is B dash A dash. It is otherwise called reversal law. Okay. So finding the transpose, we have learned. The transpose of a matrix is got by interchanging the rows with columns. Okay. So now let's do some questions based on this transpose. Write down. Write down. A is equal to matrix minus 1, 2, 3. A is equal to matrix minus 1, 2, 3. B is equal to matrix minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. A is equal to matrix minus 1, 2, 3. B is equal to matrix minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. Verify A, B the whole transpose. is equal to B transpose into A transpose. A, B, the whole transpose is equal to B transpose, A transpose. See, both the notations, okay, you should be familiar with it. One is this transpose, or what is the other case? In some cases, it will be given like this, dash. Okay, both are equivalent. Instead of transpose, instead of writing the letter T, sometimes it will be given with dash. Okay, so AB, the transpose, is equal to B transpose, A transpose. Yes. So you start with LHS. What is in LHS? We have AB, the transpose, isn't it? We want to find AB, the transpose. So let's find out what is AB. What is AB? A is the matrix minus 1, 2, 3 into B. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. So when we multiply this, what you will get? What will be the order? What is the order here? Can you give the order? Alvin? What is the order of A? What is the order of B? And what is the order of AB?
A, B, 3 by 3.
A is of order 3 by 1.
3 by 1.
What about the order of B?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. So if you find AB, AB is a matrix of order
3 by 3.
3 by 3. Okay, so now let's do the multiplication. How to multiply? First row with column, row with column, first row with first column. Only one element is there, so we can write this easily, isn't it? Minus 1 into minus 2, it is 2. Now the same row, first row with next column, it is 1. First row with the next column, it is 4. Then take the second row. Second row with first column, minus 4, minus 2, minus 8. Now with the second row, we have multiplied all the columns. Now take the third row, which is minus 6, minus 3, minus 12. So this is AB. Okay, now find out what is AB, the transpose. What is AB, the transpose? What is AB, the transpose? Srihari, what is AB, the transpose? What is AB, the transpose? This row will be, okay, first row will become the first column. So we will get 2, 1, 4. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 8. Minus 6, minus 3, minus 12. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Now find the other side. Find the other side. We have to find B transpose into A transpose, RHS. Evaluate the other side. B transpose into A transpose. So what is B transpose? If we take the transpose of B, we will get minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. There is only one row, isn't it? It will become one column. Into this one column will become one row. Is it correct? Is it okay, Punya? Now multiply. Yes, now multiply and check, is it same as LHS? You multiply this, minus 2 into minus 1, it is 2. Minus 4, minus 6, 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, minus 8, minus 12. This is equation 2. Equation 2. So this is a board exam question, children. Okay. It's a 2 marks question, repeated board exam question. Therefore, from 1 and 2, they are equal, isn't it? So we get AB the transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Hence, verified. Hence, verified. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, write the next heading. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. First thing we are going to learn is symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrix. Listen, while taking transpose, while defining transpose, okay, transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging rows into columns. So we can take transpose of any matrix. If it is a rectangular matrix also we can take. But for defining symmetric and skew symmetric, okay, this matrices will be always a square matrix. Okay, a square matrix is said to be symmetric. Is it clear? While taking transpose, we can take transpose of any matrix. If it is a rectangular matrix also, we can take transpose. But for defining symmetric and skew symmetric, the important point to be noted is it is defined for only square matrix. So a square matrix is said to be symmetric. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric. A is symmetric if and only if A transpose is equal to A. If A transpose is equal to A. If you take the transpose and if you are getting the same matrix, then it is symmetric. Okay, in biology and all, you'll be learning this word symmetric, isn't it? Bilaterally symmetric and all. Okay, the same thing here also. Symmetric means if you take the transpose, we should get the same. A transpose is equal to A. Okay, that is matrix Aij will be same as matrix Aji. Matrix Aij will be same as matrix Aji. Example, listen children. Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
The symmetric, is it clear? Symmetric means when we take the transpose, if we get the same matrix, it is symmetric. Okay, for exam, they'll ask, give one example of symmetric matrix. Give one example of skew symmetric matrix. That is an important type of question. Give one example of symmetric. Give one example of skew symmetric kind of. Okay. So no need to learn it by heart. If you understand the property, we can give the example easily. Okay. Look at here how I am going to write the example. Listen. It is defined for only square matrix, isn't it? So suppose I'm defining a 2 by 2 matrix. First, I'll write all the diagonal entries. I'll be writing the diagonal entries. Diagonal entries, are you able to recall the diagonal entries? Okay, first let's recall the general form. A11, A12, A13. Isn't it? If I take a matrix, general form is A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the general form we are learning, isn't it? What about the diagonal entries? Can you give the diagonal entries here? What are the diagonal entries? The elements which form along the principal diagonal form the diagonal entries. So when you write the example, whenever we write the example for symmetric matrix, suppose it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So I'll write the diagonal entries first, 2, 3. Okay, the remaining, look at here, Aij will be same as Aji. So first row, second element, suppose I'm filling it with 4. Means second row, first element will be also 4. Is it clear? First you write the diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements. You can write any number. Okay. So now here, what we are doing? What is the element we are writing in first row, second column? Aij will be same as Aji. So here, the same number only we should write. A21 will be same as A12. You can try your own example. Okay. Now, if you want, you can check this one. Suppose we name this as A. You take A transpose. What is A transpose? Row will become column. 2, 4, 4, 3. Is it same? Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Naureen?
No, ma'am.
Aditya, is it okay?
I'm not clear, ma'am.
Not clear. Okay. We can give another example. Okay, now listen. I want to give an example for symmetric matrix. Okay, let's try with a 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose B is equal to, I'm going to give a 2 by 2 symmetric matrix. So you write the diagonal entries. You write the diagonal entries. Any number you can write. It's not compulsory -1, 0. Any number you can write. Diagonal entries you can fix. Look at the non-diagonal entries. What is the definition? Aij is same as Aji. If you take the element here it is A12, first row, second element, isn't it? What about this position? A21. So these two should be equal. So suppose I am filling here with 4, with the same number only I should write here, 4. Okay. Now check whether what is B transpose? What is B transpose? This first row will become the first column, 1, 4, minus 1, 4. Second row will become the second column. Is it same as B? Is it same as B? First you write the diagonal entries, non-diagonal entries. Aij, non-diagonal entries should satisfy this condition. Aij is equal to Aji. So first row, second element will be same as second row, first element. Diya?
Yes,
can you give a 2 by 2 matrix, symmetric matrix? Give an example of 2 by 2 symmetric matrix.
5.
Yes, Diya?
5.
You are giving along the row. Okay, 5.
3.
3.
3.
Yes.
3.
3.
7.
Yes, repeat it.
7.
7. Isn't it? Here also C will be same as C transpose. Okay. Now let's give a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 symmetric matrix. Okay, I'm going to write a 3 by 3 symmetric matrix. Listen, 3 by 3. Fill along the diagonal. Suppose it is -1, -2, 0. I'm filling the diagonal elements. Then first row, second element. What is the element I'm writing here? First row, second element. Look at here. First row, second element will be same as second row, first element. Okay, Achyut? First row, third element. If it is 7, first row, third element, it will be same as third row, first element. Okay, then second row, third element is, suppose it is 5. Then it will be same as third row, second element. You fix the element. Okay, first you write the numbers along the principal diagonal. Then if I write 3 in first row, second column, then second row, first column will be the same. Okay. Okay. Now, first row, third column, if it is 7, third row, first column also will be the same. Then second row, third column, if I fill 5, the same element only we should fill with in third row, second column. A23 will be same as A32. A12 will be same as A21. A13 will be same as A31. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now, if you want, you can check. You take A transpose. You take A transpose and check, is it same? What is A transpose? You'll be writing the first row as first column. So it's -1, 3, 7. Second row will be the second column. Third row will be the third column. And check whether is it same as A. Is it same as A? Is it okay, Michael? Is it clear, children? Is it okay, Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, all of you give one example. Try it. One example. 3 by 3 matrix of what? Symmetric matrix. Give one example of order 3 by 3. Symmetric matrix. Yes. Sania, give the example, Sania.
A equal to 1, 6.
1,
6.
3,
9.
9,
6.
6,
4. 3.
9,
3, 8.
8. Achyut, check whether it's symmetric. Check whether this matrix is symmetric. Whether A transpose is same as A. Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? How to write a symmetric matrix of order 2 by 2, of order 3 by 3? Is it clear? Right, now write the next heading, next definition. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix. The square matrix, capital A, is said to be skew symmetric. Okay, it's said to be skew symmetric. The square matrix capital A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. A transpose is equal to minus A. That is matrix Aij will be same as minus of Aj. Aij will be same as minus of Aj. A transpose will be same as minus A. So Aij will be same as negative of Aij. See, children, one thing I want to say. Okay, in matrix, okay, whenever you fill the entries may be real or complex. Last year we have learned complex numbers. Okay, the entries may be real or complex. Both the numbers you cannot. You can take a real number. The entries inside the matrices may be a real number or complex number. Okay. Now here, skew symmetric matrix. If Aij is equal to negative Aj, isn't it? So can you try an example? We know what is symmetric. Skew symmetric. Aij will be same as Aj. You try, okay, first you go with a 2 by 2 matrix. Find one 2 by 2 skew symmetric matrix. 2 by 2 skew symmetric matrix. Aij will be same as Aj, minus of Aj. Yes, Gauri, can you give the example? Yeah. Gauri.
I didn't understand, ma'am.
You didn't understand. Okay, listen. What is given? What is when you say matrix is skew symmetric? If A transpose is minus A, what is meant by minus A? We have learned about negative of a matrix, isn't it? Suppose A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. What is negative of A? What is minus A? We multiply each entry by 1 minus, isn't it? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is how we define negative of a matrix. Now what is given when you take the transpose? When you take the transpose of the matrix, we should get one negative sign as common. A transpose must be equal to minus J. That is same as Aij will be same as minus of Aj, isn't it? Suppose I want to set a 2 by 2 example. Okay, I'm going to set a 2 by 2. A11, if you take A11 will be same as minus A11, isn't it? In order to set an example, if you use the definition here, A11, first row, first column element will be same as minus A11. In which case it is possible? In which case the number and its additive inverse. Negative means its additive inverse, isn't it? Both are equal. For which number you will get like this. A11 is equal to minus A11. Whether 1 equals
0.
minus, no, isn't it? So it is not possible. But for one particular number, it is okay. Which one?
0.
0. So A11 will be 0. So this is the very important point, children. In a skew symmetric matrix, diagonal entries will be always 0. A11 should be same as minus A11. A22 will be same as minus A22. So whenever we set the example for, whenever we give the example for skew symmetric, diagonal entries must be 0. Is it okay, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, suppose I'm, okay, what is A12? A12 will be same as minus A21. A12, suppose in first row, second column, I'm filling 3 means in second row, first column, we should write its opposite one, additive inverse, minus 3. But the diagonal entries will be always 0. So name this as A. Find out what is A transpose. What will be A transpose? First row will become the first column, 0, 3. Second row will be the second column. Okay. Find out minus A. Find negative of A. What is minus A? Minus A means we multiply each entry of the matrix A by one minus sign. 0, minus 3, 3, 0. Check whether here is it the condition is satisfied. Whether A transpose is equal to minus A. Yes, isn't it, Dia? Then here we can say A is skew symmetric. A is skew symmetric. Now try to set another example of order 2 by 2. Now give, is it clear, Achut? In skew symmetric matrix, diagonal entries will be always 0.
Using
Okay.
3 by 3 or
Achut? Yes, Achut?
3 by 3 or 2 by 2?
Now you give 2 by 2 matrix. Then we can set one 3 by 3. Gauri, now can you give the example? 2 by 2.
0,
0,
9,
9,
negative 9,
negative 9,
0.
0. Okay. Okay. Now let's set one 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Now let's set one 3 by 3 matrix. So in 3 by 3 also, the diagonal entries will be 0. All the entries along the principal diagonal is 0. First row, second column, suppose I am writing here 3 means second row, first column will be minus 3. Okay. Suppose I fill this entry with negative 9. First row, third column is 9. Then third row, first column will be positive 9. Second row, third column is 7. So it will be third row, second column, minus 7, isn't it? You take C transpose. What is C transpose? First row will become first column, 0, 3, minus 9. Second row will be the second column. Third row will become third column. You find out minus C and check whether both are same. What is minus C? Multiply each entry by one minus. Whether both are same? Is it okay, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So listen. A matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. And skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay. And few properties are there. That some theorems are there. Okay, that theorems will be proving it in the next class. Okay. Go through all the definitions and come. Try to set some examples for symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. Thank you.